Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If I here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. So it's another tutorial on how to wrap your millinery wire. Some of you have been asking me how can we wrap our millinery wire. So this is the video on how to wrap your millinery wire, then how to make your fascinator. So let's DIY. So this is the material I'll be needing for this project. Look at this. I'll be showing you what I'll be needing for this, and this is my millinery wire, and the length for this is 36 inches. That is my millinery wire. Can you see? That's my millinery wire. That is the wire we're going to be working with. So this wire is called millinery wire. Just take a look at it. Can you see? I cut this out. Just use your cutter to cut it out. Can you see? I've already cut that out. And down my flower brush, and down that's my the sellotape, my Alice band. I'll be using the tiny pattern, and this is my fascinator and my feathers. I use two type of feathers, and that is my net, my tape for measurement. And just look at this. I'm still going to be using stone. So that's it. That is the millinery wire. So after cutting it out, you just fold it just the way I fold it. Then you're going to take your sellotape. Can you see? As you can see, then you're going to wrap it. You're going to wrap it with sellotape. Make sure the wrapping is so tight. Just look at this. I'm going to wrap it. Can you see? It's so easy to do. Just wrap it the way I'm wrapping it. Just what I'm doing. So the next thing I'll be doing right now is I'll be cutting out some fabric, some nets. I'll be cutting out some nets. We can use bias to do it. We'll still be doing videos on how to use our bias to cover our millinery wire. So the measurement I use is 36 inches. Like I said earlier, I use 36 inches. So I'll start wrapping. Just cut a little piece out of the net, then you tie just the way I tie like this, then you start wrapping it. It's very easy to do. You keep wrapping it till you get to the last piece of the wire. So just keep tying just like that. Just keep tying just like that. It's so easy to do. You keep tying just like that. Just see what I'm doing. So easy to do. If the rope is too long, you can cut it and you can still join it at the center. So just see what I'm doing. I'll keep doing that. I'll keep wrapping that to my millinery wire. Just keep wrapping that to your millinery wire, just the way I'm doing it. So can you see? It's so easy to do. You keep wrapping it. Just keep wrapping just the way I'm doing it. So darlings, I'm done with the wrapping. The next thing, guys, I'm done with the wrapping, and the next thing we'll be doing right now is I'm going to be using the net to cover the wire. So you can double the net if you want to. If you are doing this for a client, make sure you double the net, so it's going to make your net so strong. I did double mine. I love doing mine just like this. And what I'll be doing, I'm going to be using that wire too. If you want it to have a circle shape, you're going to just tie it, and if you want it to bend to have a little shape, just bend it. See, can you see? When you bend and fold it, it's going to give that shape. The next thing you'll be doing right now, you're going to I've already wrapped it and cut it, and I've already add my accessory to it. Sorry, I couldn't show you that part. Yes, I couldn't show you that part. So just see what I'm doing. If you have any question, just drop your question. What I did there is just add my brush, my feathers. Just look at this. I have to go look at this, and I'll still adding my feathers to it. So this is it, and so we are done with the tutorial. So you can just add this to your business, and just look at it, and so just look at it. So if you want to learn how to make the turban cap that I use on this video. Just check previous of my videos. I have videos on how to make turban. I have a lot of videos on how to make turban. And so that is it. Can you see? It's so beautiful and so lovely. You can still add a stone to it. Make sure your work is so beautiful. And when you're done with the Alice band, make sure you cover it just streaming, or you can use ribbon to cover it. So that is so important, and that is just take a look at it, see how it's so beautiful on my head. Can you just see? Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. So we still have a lot of amazing videos. So that is it, a girl as of meaning. So just take a look at this. So I'm loving this. If you have any question that you want to answer me, don't ask me, right? Just drop it down. I'm gonna comment on it. So you can try this tutorial by yourself. It's so easy to do. Just try this DIY at home with the material you have at hand, or you can get this as a Millinery shop. So you can get all this material at Millinery shop. If you're beginners, you can get it them. So guys, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. So I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. We'll see you next time on my next video. Bye. Thanks, darling. Thanks for your love and your support. See you next time. So I'll be uploading just once in a week or twice in a week. So guys, bye and have a lovely day, a lovely night, a lovely morning, evening, wherever you are. Bye.